All right, my Fire Stick in the bedroom pooped the bed, and so I bought this new one from Amazon. I just got it, and so let's go ahead and open it up and see what we get in here. There is a little piece of tape here that you got to get off, and of course they don't make it easy, do they? Oh, here we go. There we go. Okay, so we should open up now. And so let's unbox this bad boy. First, let me give you a little, here's the shot, here's the side, here's the front, here's that side. So you can do screenshots if you want. But basically this was, I think I paid 34 bucks because it was like a Black Friday special. So now I can go ahead and rehook this thing up. And then of course you gotta do all the stuff that you need to do on it. So it comes with this, you're gonna need that. It comes with this, I think it's a HDMI, oh God, what packaging is ridiculous. So this is HDMI, you see, it's like a splitter. Here you put one in here, put one in there. It does come with this cord. This is a USB-C, and this is just like every single, no, this is, I'm sorry, this is a regular USB, and it's like one of those Android ones. Put that there. There's your plug. So apparently this is how it's gonna go, you know, like this. And then here is your Fire Stick itself. Go ahead and open that up. Probably have to put some batteries in there. And of course it comes with all this stuff on it, so you gotta get it all off. And of course it sticks to your hand. It's nice though, look, this kind of, yeah, it looks just like the other one that I had. They haven't really changed the design in a while. And then we have this part here. And this is your connection that you have to put on here. And this would go like this. So here you are, right? This is going to go like that. You're going to set that in there. This is going to go into your, this side's going to go into the TV. And then this side here, right here, you're going to put this into this, like that. And then this has to plug in your power source. So that's your setup. You got to plug this into, so it goes USB to here, right? Plug it into the wall. Plug this into this system here, which it didn't want to go in very good. Yeah, let's pull this off. This goes onto here, like that. And then this goes into your HDMI port on your TV. So you got to remember which port you put it in, because when you go to input, you got to look for that to open this up. And then here, let's get this out of the way. Let's hang on to that because we might need it. Here you got to get this. Now these are tricky to get the back off. So you got to kind of push it like this. And it doesn't want to come off. There we go. All right, so you're going to need 2 batteries in there. So this is new. This is different than the old ones. So these are AAA batteries that go in here. So you're going to have 1, 2 of them, and we have to do that. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And let's just set this right here. So that's our Fire Stick, and we're going to hook it up to a JVC TV in the bedroom because my other Fire Stick just crapped the bed. All right.